everyone, I'm Jack. This is Magic. Today, we're going to draw and color 6 yummy vegetables. First, let's draw a carrot. Start with a long triangle shape. Now, add some leaves on top. Nice and leafy. Did you know carrots help you see in the dark? Next up, it's time for broccoli. Start with a thick stem. Then draw a big fluffy top like a green cloud. Broccoli is called a mini tree because it looks just like one. Awesome! Now, let's draw a bell pepper. Make a big round shape with a little bump on top for the stem. Bell peppers come in red, green, yellow, and even orange colors. Nice work! Our pepper looks delicious. Okay, time for corn on the cob. First, draw leaves wrapping around the corn. Draw a tall oval. And then add lines inside for the kernels. Corn is used in popcorn, chips, and even candy. Wow, that corn looks so sweet. Now, let's draw a potato. Start with a big oval, not too perfect, because potatoes are a little bumpy. Add a few tiny spots to make it real. Last one, the mushroom. Draw a short stem below and a big round cap. Wow, let's make it more beautiful. It's time to color them. Let's start with the carrot, bright orange and green leaves. Perfect! Next, color the broccoli, a nice rich green, healthy and fresh. The bell pepper can be any color you like. I'll choose yellow. For the corn, let's use yellow for the kernels and green for the leaves. Now, color the potato light brown, just like in your kitchen. And finally, the mushroom. I'll go with red and light color stem. So cute! Wow! Look at our colorful vegetables! We've drawn and colored 6 amazing veggies together. Great job, artists! If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye!